Well, I'd like to make 2 points. First, different customers need electricity at different voltages.
Can you expand on that, Jack?
Sure, Layla. Factories and heavy industries need about 50 kilovolts.
So?
So, the point is that that's very different from the sort of voltage we need in our homes. That's around 240 volts.
OK. So what's your second point, Jack?
I was coming to that. My second point is that different customers need different kinds of current.
Yes, but that's not important. They can all use the same alternating current if necessary.
Well, I don't agree with that, Layla, because from what I've read, some customers need a three-phase service, which is how electricity is transmitted over the grid.
Sorry, but who are we talking about exactly? What sort of customers are these? Yes, we need to be clear here. We certainly don't need three-phase alternating current in our homes. That would be ridiculous. In what way? Well, you only need three-phase current if you've got heavy equipment. I don't get that. Some people have big equipment in their homes too. What I'm trying to say is only factories with big machinery need three-phase current. For the other customers, single-phase is enough. I still don't understand. Can you give me an example, Layla? OK, look at it this way. A printing press is a really big piece of machinery. It needs three-phase alternating current at 50 kilovolts. But light industry and residential customers don't need so much electrical power. Single-phase is enough for them.
Yes, and single-phase is much cheaper to deliver, so it's much more suitable.
Absolutely. Cost and safety are the key factors when deciding what is the best way to distribute electricity.
Yes, and I'd just like to say that I've read about a system called Single Wire Earth Return. That's SWER for short. And this can be used for rural distribution. It's really cheap to set up, so makes sense when there are only a few customers spread over a wide area.